Hello everyone, welcome back to my this new video. And in this video today we will talk about the process of achievement. What is the process of achievement? Let's discuss the ingredient in this very video you are listening now. If you are really interested in your success, then this video is for you. But if you don't want to succeed in your life, you can skip this video. It's entirely at your disposal, right? So let's get started now. For success in any business, proper planning, implementation and action is required. As one important key to success is preparation. One must have firm belief in oneself and be passionate about the business, because if you are not excited about doing a certain thing, you will never be able to deliver outstanding result. If you are forced to perform a task that you do not like, you will seldom achieve positive result. You may perhaps have to struggle to finish it within the stimulated time, and chances are that you will also make a lot of mistakes. Success doesn't happen by chance. It requires a strong belief in oneself and tremendous determination and dedication on the part of the individual, right? However, just these qualities are not enough, because every achievement, irrespective of the field it is in, follows a certain process. It gets initiated with desires and dreams, because once that is established, goal setting is inevitable. The most important step is planning. Finally, it is what action one takes and how hard one works at it that leads to achievement. Why do some people succeed while others don't? This is one question that is constantly there at the back of the mind of every person who wants to succeed. There is no denying that achievers possess a number of qualities, but the most important fact is that they are dreamers. All the great visionaries were great dreamers. Their desires were extremely strong. Some of the greatest achievements and inventions first germinated in the fertile minds of the inventor. Nothing can be achieved if it is not conceived first in the mind. Dreams are nothing but the vision of one's future. Unless dreams are nourished with strong desires and planned actions, they can never become a reality. Right? Dreams evolve and crystallize as the desires become stronger. Dreams become the purpose or the why of our achievement. Unless the purpose is strong, any kind of achievement in life is difficult. In other words, the how of an achievement can never happen without the why. Trying to build any business without an intense desire, a specific dream or a clear purpose will be like driving a car without knowing where to go. It is very important that you first ask yourself how much you desire. If a dream doesn't excite you, then it can never be your dream. It is therefore advised that you have an emotional value. You have an emotional value attached to your dream. You will have to redefine your dream and find the ones that excite you the most, or else you will never work in a dedicated manner to make them come true. Thank you guys. How did you like this video? Let me know in the comment. Thank you.